I am trying to take a thumbnail. Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video, and this one is going to be very interesting and a long video because I'm going to talk about all the books that I have read till date, and there are more than 40 books, so let's start. I'm going to start with how and when I started reading. So I started reading back in 2022 when I was obsessed with Vampire Diaries, the originals, and Game of Thrones and all that, and I wanted to decrease my screen time, so that is when I started reading. I borrowed a few books from Chetan. Those were, I think, like a monk and the monk who sold his Ferrari. I read those two books, and then I got a few books from the bookstore, and those were The Atomic Habits, The Alchemist, and The Subtle Art of Not Giving an F. This one, and I also borrowed another book from Chetan, which was Do Epic Shit. I still have this book because I'm rereading this one. So these were the three books that I purchased and I read them. These are nice books, but I'm going to introduce you to a whole new world of fantasy and romance. I'll maybe rate these books like a 5 on 10 or something because these are motivational books. No offense to those who love reading motivational books, but these are not my thing. So yeah, these were the books that I started my reading journey with. I'm not going to talk in detail about each and every book because, as I said, there are more than 40 books, and this video will be very long, and we don't want that. So I'm going to just rate these books और थोड़ा कुछ बताऊंगी मैं, whether it's fantasy or romance and all that. So after I read these books, the last one that I read was The Alchemist. और इसके बाद मैंने ना थोड़ा रीडिंग छोड़ दिया था because ये सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स आई वॉज फोर्सिंग माई सेल्फ टू रीड. आई वॉज नॉट विलिंग टू रीड दैम, एंड मेरा ऐसा है कि कुछ स्टार्ट करेंगे तो ख़त्म करना ही है, एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग द अल्केमिस्ट. इट वॉज लाइक अ गुड स्टोरी, बट देन बीच में से मैंने इसको छोड़ दिया था, एंड आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज और सो मैंने फिर से स्टार्ट करा बिकॉज आई हैड दैट गिल्ट कि ये बुक मुझे फिनिश करना है बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड इट. तो ये ख़त्म किया मैंने, एंड देन I didn't read another book for like 6 months or something. And then I saw this video of Prajakta Kohli. She made a Real Talk Tuesday video where she talks about all the books and how she got into reading and all that. And I was introduced to romance books. So I was like, you know what? Maybe we should give romance books a try. So that is when I discussed this with Chetan. I remember telling him that, you know what, I think I'll start reading again. This time I'll maybe switch to romance books. And मेरा बर्थडे था उस टाइम पे, तो ही गिफ्टेड मी अ फ्यू बुक्स लाइक रोमांस बुक्स, और उसने वो वीडियो देख के ही मुझे गिफ्ट किया था. तो चेतन गिफ्टेड मी दीज बुक्स. मेरा गला बैठ गया. मच बेटर. So Chetan gifted me these books, these three books, The Twisted Love, The Spanish Love Deception, and The Love Hypothesis. ये series है, by the way. इसके और 3 books है, but he gifted me the first one because he was like, you know what, you read this first, और अगर तुमको अच्छा लगेगा then we'll buy the other 3. So I started with this book. It was amazing. At least interesting था, not like the motivational books कि I have to force myself to read the books and finish the book just because I have started it. So yeah, this was an easy read. It was a nice story, and Spanish Love Deception was amazing. Like 9.5 on 10. 9.5 मैं इसलिए दे रही हूँ because बाद में I started reading fantasy, and that's a whole different world. So 9.5 for this book. It's a great book if you are somebody who want to start reading. So you can go for this book. And then The Love Hypothesis was also good. I would rate this book 8 on 10 because ये थोड़ा सा, it was good, it is nice, it has a very different setting, but not something that I like, not the setting that I like. It's, these are basically two scientists and a fake relationship between them, and वो कैसे grow होता है and all that. So yeah, this one was also a great read. I started with these books and then I was obsessed, and how I went ahead and purchased a lot more books, but those were romantasy and fantasy ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. I mean romance है उसमें, but more inclined towards fantasy. So I got the very famous series that was on Book Talk, that is the Cruel Prince series. So there are 3 books in this series. The Cruel Prince, द क्वीन ऑफ नथिंग एंड द विकेड किंग. आई थिंक ये ऑर्डर थोड़ा मैं ऊपर नीचे कर दिया है. आई थिंक इट्स द क्रूअल प्रिंस, द विकेड किंग एंड द क्वीन ऑफ नथिंग इज द लास्ट बुक. मोस्टली लोग ऐसा कहते हैं कि दीज आर लाइक रोमांस बुक्स, बट देयर इज नो रोमांस इन हियर. इफ यू आर समबडी जो रोमांस के लिए ये बुक्स रीड कर रहा है, प्लीज डोंट. देयर इज नो रोमांस, बट these are very very good books because उसमें बाकी सब है. there's action, there's politics and so much more. तो yeah, these were great read. ये बुक बहुत छोटी छोटी भी है as compared to the other books that I've read. तो these were an easy read and ये मैंने बहुत जल्दी जल्दी ख़त्म करी थी. This is the first series that I have read. I would rate this like 9.5 on 10. Okay, this is a great series. No matter what anybody says, I love this. एंड देन आई वेंट अहेड एंड गॉट दिस वन, द स्टोलन एयर. ये भी मुझे लगा कि इसी सीरीज़ का पार्ट है, क्रूअल प्रिंस सीरीज़ का पार्ट है, बट दिस वॉज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ क्रूअल प्रिंस सीरीज़. इट्स अ नोवेला, इट्स अ क्या बोल सकते हैं, इट्स अ स्टैंड अलोन बुक. क्रूअल प्रिंस के सीरीज़ में एक कैरेक्टर है, एक साइड कैरेक्टर बोल सकते हैं जिसको, तो उसकी स्टोरी है इस बुक में. ठीक है, तो दिस वन इज ऑल्सो गुड, बट आई वुड रेट दिस लाइक अ 7 on 10 बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट दैट इंटरेस्टेड. तो या 7 on 10. देन कम्स जिसका आई थिंक नेटफ्लिक्स पे सीरीज है ऑलरेडी, 6 of Crows एंड द क्रिकेट किंगडम. ये भी मैंने बहुत टाइम पहले रीड करी है, तो आई डोंट रिमेंबर द स्टोरी, but I do remember that it was about a heist that they pull off, like a group of friends या found families कह सकते हैं. तो yeah, these two books I read, I have also marked them all. This was a great read. I would rate this like 8 on 10. 8 on 10 just because मैं भूल चुकी हूँ इसका story. Okay, next up we have another great series. दिस इज़ अ कम्प्लीटेड सीरीज़, बट मेरे पास इसके सारे बुक्स नहीं हैं बिकॉज मैं धीरे धीरे करके रीड कर रही हूँ. दिस इज़ द शैटमी सीरीज़. इफ़ यू आर समबडी हुज ऑलरेडी इनटू रीडिंग और बुक टॉक वगैरह तुम लोग फॉलो करते हो, देन यू माइट नो दिस सीरीज़. दिस इज़ वेरी फेमस सीरीज़. इसके बाद आई थिंक देर आर 3 more बुक्स. तो मैं धीरे धीरे करके रीड कर रही हूँ, बट दिस आई पिक्ड अप लॉन्ग बैक. तो आई रिमेंबर द स्टोरी. इसका ऑर्डर गलत है. One second. The first one is Shatter Me, Unravel Me, Ignite Me. Very amazing book. Recently I got this book to get out of a reading slump. I'm not that curious anymore about this series, but it's a great series. It's an easy read. Definitely you can go with this one. As I said, मैंने ये finish नहीं करा है पूरा series, so I will not be able to rate the entire series, but so far I've read 4 books, so I would rate these 4 books like 8.5 on 10 because there's everything. There's romance, there's action, there's a love triangle, and then there's politics and everything. Okay, so 8.5 on 10. Next up we have, let's talk about this one, King of Wrath. And also I picked बहुत time पहले. Do I remember the story? No. I know the characters, their names, but I don't recall the entire story. But it is great. There's a lot of spice in here. So if you're somebody who doesn't like spice, then skip this one. Okay. This I would rate 8 on 10. This is again a romance book. ये उसी ऑथर का है जिसने ट्विस्टेड लव मतलब ट्विस्टेड सीरीज जो लिखा है. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ सीरीज. आई थिंक इसमें भी 3 बुक्स है, बट मैंने एक ही परचेज करा था. एंड आई डोंट नो, मे बी इन फ्यूचर अगर मेरा मन किया तो आई पिक द अदर 3 एज वेल, बट फॉर नाउ आई हैव रेड दिस वन. नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव द ब्राइड बाय एली हेजलवुड. इसका इतना हाइप था बुक टॉक पे तो मैंने ले लिया बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी क्यूरियस. इसका थोड़ा सा ट्वाइलाइट टाइप द स्टोरी लाइन है because there's humans and vampires and werewolves and a treaty amongst them. तो वो सब था. So I was very very curious to read this book and I got this. I didn't like it. Ali Hazelwood का love hypothesis was much better. This book, इसका अभी भी hype है. I don't know what for. मुझे नहीं पसंद आया इतना and it was very boring. मैंने force किया है खुद को ये read करने के लिए, तो I would rate this like a 3 on 10. Next up we have my favorite series who actually got me into fantasy. So this is the series, the Powerless series. there are 3 books. अभी के लिए 3 ही books है, but 4th book is coming in April, I guess. So first up we have The Powerless. Second is Powerful. This one is a small book. And the third is Reckless. This was the most recent book. This is a young adult fantasy, meaning there's no spice. Romance बहुत है, but there's no spice. हल्का सा कहीं पे कुछ सीन मिल जाएगा, but that I will not consider it as spice because I have read spicy books and this is not that. Okay, so this is very beautiful. It has banter, there's yearning, there's a kingdom basically उसमें, there's prince and there's an ordinary girl उसका story है. Very very great. It's beautifully written. I don't know कि इसका book talk पे इतना hype मतलब है, and then there are people saying कि it's not worth it. I don't know why, but I personally loved this book. इस first book के बाद I had no clue what to do with my life because this ends on a huge cliffhanger. और मैं ऐसे ही बैठी थी 15 minutes के लिए कि what just happened, and when will I get to read the second book? So I picked this one, The Powerful One. But this is not the इसमें जो story है, इसका story इसमें continue नहीं हुआ है. There's a character like a side character in this book, उसका standalone story है. This one I have sobbed reading this book. I've read it in one day because it's a small book, but this is heartbreaking. And this जो recently आया था, and इस book में जो story है that continues in this one. This I would say it's like a standalone. So if you want to read it, you can read it. But if you are going to the series, I would really suggest you guys to read this one because it is heartbreaking, but it is very beautiful and very emotional. This entire series is not completed, so I would rate this 9.5 on 10. I also read Twilight. I had ordered this from Amazon. जब मैं वो motivational books read कर रही थी, I was like, you know what, motivational कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया है. I want a story, and I knew that I love a Twilight का movie. So I was like, ये read करते हैं. This is also an easy read and it's good for communication skills and everything. तो आई गॉट दिस बुक, आई रेड दिस, बट देन मैंने इस पे ही एंड किया. मैंने बाकी के बुक्स नहीं पढ़े बिकॉज मेरा ऐसा था कि ये इसका स्टोरी ऑलरेडी मुझे पता है, तो आई डोंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन बुक्स जबकि मुझे ऑलरेडी स्टोरी पता है. थोड़ा डिफरेंट रहता है बुक्स में एज़ कम्पेयर टू द मूवीज़, बट स्टिल आई वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन द अदर बुक्स. सो इसी पे मैंने एंड कर दिया. आई हैव रेड दिस वन. इट्स लाइक 8 on 10. वी हैव आई थिंक these are the only, yeah, this is the last romance book. Not a romance but a dark romance book. This is Hunting Adeline. This is the second part. Haunting Adeline भी है, वो चेतन के पास है, मैंने उसको दिया है पढ़ने के लिए. Haunting Adeline and then there's Hunting Adeline. I have mixed emotions about these books. Also, if you're somebody who wants to read these books, please read the trigger warning. Please do. मैंने भी read किया था trigger warning and then I went into the book. Haunting Adeline was great. Haunting Adeline is traumatic. Also, मैं कोई spoilers नहीं देने वाली, but the way the story ended, I personally feel that और beautifully end हो सकता था अगर spice इतना नहीं डालते तो. But I'm not complaining. This is a dark romance, and then you cannot complain about the spice. I would rate these books like 8 on 10, 8.5. ठीक है, because Zade Meadows is my favorite character. I also got a few books from Booktail का एक सेल लगा था. I'll make another video on that entire thing. But this is a recent read that I read. I've also shown it in one of my previous vlogs that I was currently reading this book. This was a cute cover. Honestly, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता इस book के बारे में, but it's a cute cover, so I got this one. It's about a girl who's going to get married and बहुत ही अजीब स्टोरी था. आई मीन ऑनेस्टली अजीब भी नहीं था, बट इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट आई लाइक टू रीड. माई टेस्ट इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट इन बुक्स, एंड मैंने बुक टेल में जो भी मेरे को ऑप्शंस लगे, जो अच्छे कवर्स थे एंड ऑल दैट, आई डेंट हैव मैनी ऑप्शंस फ्रॉम फैंटेसी. एक्चुअली एक भी फैंटेसी बुक मुझे नहीं मिला वहाँ पे, बट दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट आई गॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द कवर. सो दिस आई वुड रेट लाइक 4 on 10. जो बेस्ट बुक्स है, बेस्ट सीरीज़ है, वो मैं एंड के लिए रख रही हूँ. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फैंटेसी नाउ. ठीक है, फोर्थ विंग एंड द आयरन फ्लेम. दीज आर ह्यूज बुक्स. दिस वन इज़ प्रिटी ह्यूज, but these are amazing. Book Talk पे these are very hyped books, and rightfully so. Anything that has dragons and war and action and romance, and I love those books. This is not a completed series, by the way. Fourth Wing here, then there's Iron Flame, and there's also a third book that has already released, The Onyx Storm, जो मुझे रीड करना था पर मैं ट्रिप पे चली गई थी तो मैंने वो नहीं परचेज करा है अभी तक. बट आई परचेज दैट सून, एंड आई होप कि वो कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए ये सीरीज़, वो थर्ड बुक पे. This I would rate 9 on 10. Another fantasy book that we have is The Crown of Nyaxia, The Serpent of the Wings and Night. This is also very hyped book on Book Talk. This is a completed series. This is a 2-book series, I guess. फिलहाल मैंने एक ही पढ़ा है. I'm going to purchase the second one soon. This is about a girl named Oraya into the vampire world. She's struggling to survive there and everything, and then there's enemies to lovers, there's romance. It's beautifully written. It's an easy read. So I would rate this book like 8.5 on 10. Now, drum rolls, because we have the most amazing series of all time by Sarah J. Maas. You guys must have already heard about the series. It's A Court of Thorns and Roses, also popularly known as ACOTAR. This is the first book. ये पूरा का पूरा बॉक्स ही लेके आई थी. उल्टा दिखा रही हूँ. Wait, this, and then there's this book. ये बुक बाहर है बिकॉज इन सारी बुक्स को रीड करने के बाद ये फिट नहीं हो रहा था अंदर, और मुझे इसको अंदर फिट करके इसका स्पाइन वगैरह डैमेज नहीं करना था, तो I just keep it like this. There are 5 books in the series. There's 4, and then there's this one. Obviously, the first one, A Court of Thorns and Roses. In the first book, there's a lot of world building. इसमें तुरंत तुमको story समझ नहीं आएगा, but it's a nice story, so you can keep on reading. Give this some time. There's also a little bit of spice. है नहीं है, I don't remember. No, I don't think so. There's spice in this book. मैं इस series का order ही भूल चुकी हूँ. One second. I would say this is a gateway into fantasy. Romance in these books are top tier. Romance in book का मतलब सबसे amazing part भी नहीं है. You guys will not regret reading these books. So please, if you are thinking कि पढ़ना चाहिए, please go and purchase and read this, because तुम्हारा पूरा पर्सनालिटी चेंज हो जाएगा ये बुक्स रीड करने के बाद. तो द फर्स्ट बुक, there's no spice, there's just world building. तो give this book some time and keep on reading. The second book, this book, इस बुक को मैं क्या ही रेटिंग दूँ, इट्स दैट ग्रेट, ब्यूटिफुली रिटन, इतना प्यारा बुक है ये. कॉल्ड अ कोर्ट ऑफ मिस्ट एंड फ्यूरी. दिस इज so far one of the best books that I have ever read. The third book that we have is A Court of Wings and Ruin. These books are huge. तुमको देख के ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि बाप रे इतने मोटे मोटे बुक्स मैं कब पढ़ूंगी या कब पढ़ूंगा, बट ट्रस्ट मी, एक बार तुम पढ़ना स्टार्ट करोगे, यू वोंट फील लाइक कीपिंग दिस बुक्स डाउन. बड़े बड़े जो बुक्स हैं मैंने 2 दिन में ख़त्म किए हैं. आई वॉज दैट ऑब्सेस्ड. आई स्टिल एम. दिस एंटायर सीरीज लिव्स इन माई हेड रेंट फ्री. This is the 4th book. I think that this is a beautiful book. I love this. This is called A Court of Frost and Starlight, and it's a small book, so it's nice. Then we have the last book. अभी के लिए last book in this series is A Court of Silver Flames. This is about another character, but जो भी characters है इस series में वो सारे हैं इसमें भी. This is specifically about 2 characters, Cassian and Nesta. This is their story. So this book was also amazing. The spice in this book is a lot. देखो, it's great कि spice है. I'm grateful towards सारा जे मास की spice है इन बुक में. बट अगर तुम्हारा ऐसा है कि इसको spice नहीं पसंद, you know what you're like, what the hell is going on, skip that part. You can skip it, although you'll have to skip a lot of pages in this particular book because there are a lot of spice scenes, but it's a great book. The way it ended, I love it. Again, not a completed series. अभी और 2 बुक्स तो आएंगे शायद. कब आएंगे आई हैव नो क्लू. लेट्स होप कि जो भी बुक्स आने वाले जल्दी आए, बिकॉज आई कांट वेट एनी मोर. Entire series a solid 10 on 10. The last series and the most iconic one, I love ACOTAR, okay, I love it, but ये जो series मैं दिखाने जा रही हूँ, this is epic. ऐसा series मिलेगा ही नहीं कहीं पे. It's that great. A huge series. One second, let me show it to you guys. you can see. Okay, it's heavy. It's heavy. It's called the Throne of Glass series by Sarah J. Maas again. This is everything. अगर मैं एक materialistic thing carry कर सकती हूँ अपने साथ कहीं भी for the rest of my life, I'll carry this. It's huge. I know. There are 8 books. Honestly, मैं अभी उसका order भूल चुकी हूँ. These are 7. 8th book is down there. Series describe करने के लिए मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है. If you are somebody जो इसको डिले कर रहा है कि 8 बुक्स है, मैं कैसे पढ़ूँ, कब पढ़ूँ एंड ऑल दैट, गो रीड दिस प्लीज़. बाकी सब काम छोड़ के रीड दिस, बिकॉज इससे अच्छा सीरीज़ नहीं आने वाला, नहीं बनने वाला. दिस इज़ अ कंप्लीटेड सीरीज़. रोमांस आई वुड से 4th बुक तक बिल्कुल नहीं मिलेगा. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि रोमांटिक बुक है एंड ऑल दैट रोमांस है, हेवीली बिल्ड रोमांस है. नहीं, सीरीज इज़ नॉट हेवी ऑन रोमांस. दैट इज़ द ACOTAR one. You can expect a romance from that book. This book, however, इसमें रोमांस नहीं है, बट ओ माई गॉड क्या लिखा है, क्या ही लिखा है. द स्टोरी इज अमेजिंग. द कैरेक्टर्स आर बॉम्ब. द प्लॉट, there's war, there's found families and everything. It is amazing. I think about it all the time. Thinking of rereading this series, this huge series जो देख पा रहे हो कि कितने मोटे मोटे बुक्स है. Because after reading this series you'll be like, what do I do with my life now? ऐसा सीरीज़ नहीं बनने वाला, ऐसा सीरीज़ आने नहीं वाला, तो अब मैं क्या पढ़ूँ. एंड यू विल नॉट बी इंटरेस्टेड इन रीडिंग एनी अदर बुक, बिकॉज दैट इज़ वॉट हैपन टू मी. मैं ये सीरीज़ के बाद आई ट्राइड रीडिंग मल्टीपल बुक्स एंड they were not enough. They were like, this doesn't feel like Throne of Glass. That was all that I could say. And I didn't enjoy them. So I was basically in a reading slump. The first book in the series that I read is The Assassin's Blade. This one, read it first. There are multiple ways to read the entire series. और बहुत से तुमको पोस्ट भी मिलेंगे कि ऐसे रीड करो, ऐसे रीड करो. Read this book after the first book and everything. Read this book first and then everything else. ठीक है, बिकॉज इसमें थोड़ा बहुत कैरेक्टर्स से फेमिलियर हो जाओगे तुम लोग, तो इट विल बी ईजियर टू रीड द रेस्ट ऑफ द सीरीज. देन वी हैव द थ्रोन ऑफ ग्लास, द क्राउन ऑफ मिडनाइट, एयर ऑफ फायर, क्वीन ऑफ शैडोज. एंड देन there are 2 books that you have to tandem read, meaning you have to read them at the same time. Events that are happening in these books are happening at the same timeline. So there's a tandem read का chart that you will get online. कहीं भी मिलेगा, Pinterest, गूगल पे वगैरह. तो रीड इट अकॉर्डिंगली. अलग अलग से बुक्स मत रीड करना ये, बिकॉज यू विल नॉट एन्जॉय द सीरीज. वैसे टावर ऑफ डॉन एंड द एम्पायर ऑफ स्टॉर्म्स. Tower of Dawn is somewhat boring. I was not that interested in the characters that are in this book. प्लीज़ टैंडम रीड ही करना, अलग अलग से मत इसको पढ़ना, बिकॉज देन इट विल बी बोरिंग. यू विल बी डन विद दिस बुक. दिस बुक एंड्स ऑन ए ह्यूज क्लिफ हैंगर, and then you will have to read this entire book. It's some 650-670 pages का book you will have to read to get to this final book. और इतना पेशेंस नहीं रहेगा आफ्टर द क्लिफ हैंगर दैट हैपन्स इन एम्पायर ऑफ स्टॉर्म्स. तो टैंडम रीड ही करना, सो दैट ये बुक फिनिश होने के बाद देर आर ओनली अ फ्यू चैप्टर्स लेफ्ट ऑफ दिस बुक, एंड देन तुरंत ही यू कैन स्टार्ट रीडिंग द फाइनल book, that is Kingdom of Ash. It's a huge book. It's 900 pages or something. Almost 1000 pages का book है ये. But this is everything. A small tip for you guys. ACOTAR के बाद तुरंत ये read मत करने लग जाना, because ACOTAR is heavily romance based is what I feel. This book is not. This entire series, I mean, it's not. There's a lot of world building, there are multiple characters, there's a lot happening at different places at the same time, and it's a lot to handle. ऐसा लगने लगेगा. तो I did that thing. I read ACOTAR and then I started reading Throne of Glass, which was a lot for me to handle at that point. But I kept on reading and I loved the entire series. It's my all-time favorite series. But still, ACOTAR के बाद read something else, like read 2 to 3 other books. रोमांस पढ़ लो या कुछ लाइट कुछ पढ़ लो, एंड देन स्टार्ट विद दिस सीरीज. I got this for 6,000 rupees, but it's worth every penny. I think those were all the books that I have read till date. It's more than 40 books. And I have also got a few other books from the Booktail wala sale. So I'll be making another video on that some other time. But yeah, these were all the books, and I hope this was somewhat helpful to you guys so that you can start reading. And another friendly advice, if you're not liking the story, if you're not liking the book, please just put it down. You don't have to forcefully read it, because फिर ऐसे तुम्हारा पूरा क्यूरियोसिटी या इंटरेस्ट ही चला जाएगा बाकी के बुक्स रीड करने में भी. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, देर आर सो मैनी अदर बुक्स that are the stories are great, everything is great about those books, and you're missing out on so many more books. So just because of one book, please don't stop reading. Keep that book down and pick up some other book that might interest you. And yeah, that's all that I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay happy and bye bye.